Assalamualaikum doctors. In this video, I'm discussing recall communications, that is a breaking bad news scenario, Down syndrome. So normally we know that I'm telling Down syndrome, it is a trisomy 21. It is a genetic disorder caused by the presence of all or a part of a third copy of chromosome 21. The clinical features look the child face, that is mental impairment. They have abnormal teeth, stunted growth, stunted eyes, umbilical hernia, shortened hand. And we find the mongoloid faces, upward epicanthal fold, depressed nasal bridge. There is a single palmar crease, simian crease, and the gap between the first and second toe. Now I am telling how can we do that. As usual, IRCAP. Congratulations of your birth of Ali. Thank you, doctor. So tell me, how is your health after labor? I hope everything is going well. Yes, doctor. I am very happy to hear that, ma'am. I am here to talk with you about Ali. Would you like anyone to be here? No. Anyone tell you anything about Ali? No, doctor. What is happening? Okay. During our routine examination, we found some unusual features. We found he has an upward deviation of his eye, protruding of his tongue, little bit floppy, single crease in his hand, and this let us doubt that he may have features suggestive of Down syndrome. Again, I am telling what is happening, that during our routine examinations, we found some unusual features. We found he has upward deviation of his eye, protruding of his tongue, little bit floppy, single crease in his hand, and this let us doubt that he may have features suggestive of Down syndrome. What are you telling me, that my child has Down syndrome? Actually, no, we did not say that, but we just said he is more likely to have Down syndrome. I'm terribly sorry for that. So it is more likely, we are telling from the features. Are you sure, doctor? To be sure, we have to do the gene test, but ma'am, let me ask you first, how much do you know about Down syndrome? I know it is a condition that may kill him, mother is telling. Let me explain you from the beginning. Down syndrome is a condition that affects the genes. Genes are considered the code of responsible for the way we look and transfer the information from the parents to the kids. Are you with me? So explanation at the beginning, what we tell that, let me explain you from the beginning. Down syndrome is a condition that affects the genes. Genes are considered the code responsible for the way we look and transfer the information from the parents to the kids. Are you with me? Okay, doctor. These genes are arranged in stick-like structures called chromosomes. In every cell in our body, we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, making the total number of 46. But in Ali condition, he has an extra chromosome in number 21, that is 3 instead of 2. This makes the total number is 47. As a result, he has these features and he may have, if we are sure that he has Down syndrome. So I am telling the pathophysiology or mechanism of Down syndrome. Normally, these genes are arranged in a stick-like structure called chromosome. In every cell in our body, we have 23 pair of chromosomes, making the total number is 46. So 23 pair among total number is 46. But in Ali condition or Down syndrome condition, he has an extra chromosome number is 21. So here instead of 3, instead of 2, that is instead of 2, that is 3 number. This makes the total number is 47. As a result, he has these features and he may have, if we are sure, he has Down syndrome. What are these complications? Some of the children with Down syndrome may have heart issues. For that, we need to do the jelly scan of the heart. Are you with me? Okay. And some of the children with Down syndrome has some issue in his tummy. So we need to do jelly scan for his tummy. Adding to this, he may have a decrease in secretion of this gland pointing to your neck. So we need to do some test. What about his mentality? So later on, he may need a special help in school, as children with Down syndrome has lower IQ than other children. How it will be sure? We will be do gene test searching for the extra chromosome. Is it my fault? No. So why this is not discovered early? I'm sure the liver doctor did what is the best, and there is no test accurate in 100%. But if you have any doubt, we can arrange a meeting with the liver doctor. So if mother is telling why liver doctor anything mistake, so no test is actually curable or accurate 100%. But if you have any doubt, we can arrange a meeting with the liver doctor. And we always praise our colleague. We believe that I'm sure that liver doctor did the best. I'm going to have another child with Down syndrome. Actually, there are different types of Down syndrome. So better to have a meeting with the gene doctor. He will decide if there is any choice and what are this chance exactly. So in Down syndrome patient, we need to make a meeting with the gene doctor. If another child they're asking, is he going to die? Actually, let us hope for the best, ma'am. Most of the children, even with heart condition, with a good management plan and good follow-up and supportive support, will offer him tend to live lifelong. So we will assure him that let's go hope for the best. Most of the children with Down syndrome, even with have heart condition, if regular follow-up, regular management, they lifelong. Then, as usual, summary, trusted websites, leaflet, and support group. So this is all about Down syndrome communication. Thank you.